Hi YouTube, today I've got an unboxing for you of the Apple wireless Bluetooth keyboard for an Apple device, and I've got an iTunes card here. That's nothing, so I'll just unbox the keyboard. This is the wireless keyboard. It costs $75, as you see here. Got it from JB Hi-Fi on the bottom, some specs, what you need to set up, a picture of the device, just some labeling stuff. Top wireless keyboard, Apple, and Apple again. So I bought this for my iPad because I don't have a Mac, but I bought it for my iPad, and so I'm going to insert here and try and I always love removing the plastic from an Apple device. There you go, plastic gone. So now to take a look inside of it, you've got the keyboard, so a tab, which I'm just going to put to the side for the moment, and then, oh, that's a nice smell, and then you got just a Apple wireless keyboard manual guide sort of thing. I think that's it. And then, as I take a further look into the keyboard, so it's fully functioning keys. There's a plastic layer in it at the moment, which I'm going to keep on. Apple down the bottom, rubber feet, there's 4 of them. On this side, I think that's where you turn on and sync it, and then here is where you put the batteries in. So that's the keyboard, Apple wireless keyboard. Thanks guys for watching. Please comment, rate and subscribe.